Tineco iFLOOR wet dry vacuum review. My floors were never really clean until I tried this Vac-Mop. The Tineco iFLOOR Breeze has made cleaning your home a breeze. The days of vacuuming before mopping are long gone, and now you can do both simultaneously and with great results. I have been using my Tineco iFLOOR Breeze for a few days now, and it does a great job of vacuuming and mopping my hardwood floors and leaves them sparkling clean, all while saving you time. Even though we use steam mop to clean our floors, I was truly surprised by how much dirt and dust the iFLOOR Breeze picked up. The iFLOOR Breeze is fantastic at cleaning hard floors, but I know of other products that are of similar one-step cleaning pedigree and can be run on area rugs as well. Tineco does not advertise this as being used on area rugs, and with the soft roller brush as its main cleaning mechanism, we might be able to get away with very low-pile rugs. Yet a lot of these one-step cleaning products are mostly corded and are not self-cleaning, so there is a higher level of convenience when running with the Tineco. Obviously, battery life could be longer for some of us with larger homes, but Tineco has you covered with other offerings in their lineup. For the rest of us, this iFLOOR Breeze is the sweet spot of pricing, ease of use, and maintenance. Pros: easy to assemble, cordless, rechargeable, lightweight, easy to maneuver. Self-cleaning: place the Tineco iFLOOR Breeze on the base and press the power button to turn the machine on, and that's it. I usually place a little bit of clean water in the base to make sure it cleans everything out. Easy to fill and empty. Strong suction and good cleaning power. To test out the suction and cleaning power, I smeared chocolate on my floor and it had no issues cleaning everything and left the floor sparkling clean with no residue. Cons: 20-minute runtime. The 20-minute runtime was plenty for me to clean up about 1,000 square feet depending on how much of an area you were looking to clean. It may not be enough time for you. Cleaning hard floors. Though initially intimidated by my Tineco iFLOOR 3 review, once I kicked the machine in motion, I realized the beautiful simplicity of the wet-dry vac. With just 2 buttons, start and max water flow, all you have to do is maneuver the machine like a vacuum. The best part? Rigorous scrubbing isn't necessary. Pushing the Tineco back and forth through my kitchen, I was shocked by how little water the machine uses to wash hard floors. I turned on the max water flow button just to see what the machine could really do. With max water flow on, I could only see the slightest trace of water where I moved the machine. Better yet, absolutely no streaks were left behind like they are when mopping. Between me, my dog and my partner, with whom I share an 800 square foot apartment, our floors collect a lot of hair and crumbs. Clumps of hair, dust, and random food scraps vanished as soon as the Tineco Vac-Mop touched it. Now, I'll be honest, I take my sweet time while cleaning my floors with the Tineco. A slow, back-and-forth motion makes all the difference in knowing every last bit is vacuumed and mopped. The only room without hardwood floors is the bedroom. After cleaning the kitchen, bathroom, and living room floors, it takes me 10 minutes flat to slowly move the Tineco through my apartment. That's a huge improvement from the 30-minute chore of vacuuming and then mopping my floors the old-fashioned way. So, if you're just now tuning in, the fact that this machine cleans floors in half the time is reason enough to add to cart. Mopping heavy. My initial Tineco iFLOOR 3 review made me a believer in the wet-dry vac system, but the true test is seeing how it performs on heavy-duty messes like spilled cereal milk. After watching several social media videos of the Tineco effortlessly cleaning up nasty spills, I had a lot of trust in this product. Still, I had to see the magic for myself. As much as it pained me, I intentionally dumped yogurt on my floors and let it sit for half an hour before going in with the Tineco Vac-Mop. In just 4 swipes, the machine effortlessly picked up every last bit of yogurt while leaving the area with a streak-free finish to prevent sticky residue. Success! Next, I spilled freshly brewed coffee all over my kitchen. The Tineco cleaned up every inch with no sticky residue left behind. As for spilled cereal? This mess was a tad trickier to clean, but I discovered that moving the Tineco very slowly is key for picking up all the cereal chunks. The Tineco can handle chunkier messes like this, but depending on how much is spilled, the base may get clogged. I had to wipe off the bottom mid-clean to prevent clogging, but the Tineco certainly accomplished the assignment much quicker than I would have on my own. Where I used to rush to the paper towels to clean up spilled liquids, the Tineco is a total superhero. No more 2-step cleaning routine, all it takes is a few back and forth motions of the Tineco, and you're good to go. Clean up. Because the Tineco iFLOOR 3 Breeze picks up significant gunk, it's essential to clean the machine after each use. I mean, no one wants a dirty tank of water sitting in their house until the Vac-Mop's next use. Gross. After turning off my Tineco Vac-Mop, I removed the dirty water tank and dumped it in the toilet. Then, I rinsed the tank in the sink to remove excess hair and debris. I also refilled the clean water tank, more on that later, and snapped both tanks back into place on the Vac-Mop. Depending on the mess, I also remove the brush roller and give it a rinse. There tends to be some hair and debris where the brush roller sits, so I wipe the area with a microfiber cloth after each use, too. Time for the fun part, the self-cleaning feature. With the Tineco Vac-Mop plugged in, I attached the clean water tank, filled, not empty, and made sure all the bells and whistles were locked into place. Then, I held the power button until the self-cleaning mode was activated. This rushes clean water through the machine to prevent clogs or dirt from getting trapped inside. This also thoroughly dries the brush roller to remove excess liquid. The self-clean function took about 3 to 5 minutes. Once complete, the dirty water tank was semi-full, so I dumped and rinsed it. I let my Tineco charge overnight to ensure it was all juiced up for when it was time to clean my floors again. This might be the easiest powered mop I have used yet. Probably why they called it the iFLOOR Breeze. Cap full of solution, fill with hot water, and steer it around the floor. It pulls itself across the floor for the most part. The floor gets clean in a pass or two, slow third pass for dry sticky stuff, and the dirty water, that you can see, gets dumped down the drain. It even has a built-in filter so you don't clog the drain with floor debris. Since it sucks up most of the water it puts down. The floor is no more than damp for a minute before becoming completely dry. Definitely beats my old spin mop that requires gallons of water and multiple dumps and refills to be sure you have clean floors. This has made kitchen floor and hardwood floor cleaning much easier and faster. As for run time, you do get about 21 to 22 minutes of use as stated. Sadly, if you don't finish in that time, charging will take 4 to 5 hours before you can finish the floor cleaning chores. Would be nice if this had a swappable battery. But, after the initial clean, 20 minutes might be enough for routine cleanings, and plenty enough charge for doing quick spill cleanups.